Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Today we opened higher. Yesterday US markets were higher. Today Asian markets were higher. SGX Nifty was higher and crude was higher. Gold was higher. Crypto was higher. I think Bitcoin was up almost 9-10%. So everything was bullish and we opened even more higher than what SGX Nifty indicated, but it's going to be very difficult to predict the market on an expiry day. So expiry day, a lot of calls and puts, so I really don't know. And today the behavior was totally unexpected in the beginning. And Bank Nifty went very close to 42,000, then came down, then again shot up, then again came down. And see, yesterday, the last 45 minutes, Bank Nifty was up 250 points. And today, exactly opposite. The last 45 minutes, Bank Nifty was down 250 points. And in the last 45 minutes, Bank Nifty falling 250 points, that has about more than Nifty has about 1/3 weightage in Bank Nifty. So Nifty has fallen 70-80 points. At some point of time, Nifty was threatening to break 18,000 after going above 18,100. So expiry day, it happens like this only. We have to write it off. But at the end of the day, both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers for more than 1,500 crore each. FIIs bought for 1,500 crore plus, DIIs bought for 1,500 crore plus. That means the total buy is more than 3,100 crore, and then the Bank Nifty can fall like this. So that's because of expiry day volatility. Reliance also contributed. Reliance was up more than 5% in last two trading sessions, and this is a classical example of buy on rumor and sell on news. And after Reliance shot up 5%, the news came today that windfall tax was cut. And then today it went up another 1% and then the profit booking came. So that also added volatility to the index. So the star performer is only the IT index. If not for IT, Nifty would have ended in red. Bank Nifty is already in red. Anyway, I told you the markets are bullish, but it doesn't mean that market will have to go up in straight line. So there will be a zigzag move, and particularly on an expiry day. Today, some significant things. Adani Port and Adani Enterprise both stabilized, and other Adani stocks like Adani Transmission, Adani Gas, Adani Power, so they started trading after 3 weeks of continuous lower circuit. So they started trading. So that means, the markets are stabilizing as far as the Adani group is concerned. But as a collateral damage, PSU banks have already fallen so much. So we have to see whether they will recover in the next few weeks. So good thing about today is that, despite such a huge volatility, Nifty closed in green and closed above 18,000 for the second straight day. And another thing is that both FIIs and DIIs were huge buyers today. So therefore, the uptrend may be intact, and forget about the expiry day volatility. From tomorrow, if the global cues are good, so we may continue the uptrend. Today the VIX has also come down. So for the 3 weeks in February, just Nifty is up just about 100-150 point up, and budget and followed by Adani saga. The last 3 weeks dominated. It will be interesting to see where the market will move on the last week of February. So anyway, those things we will discuss tomorrow morning. So right now, today market volatility because of expiry. Other than that, the market uptrend is still intact. So that's my opinion. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.